So we talked about, service communication, right? We talked about the REST APIs. We talked about asynchronous communication, right? Like Kafka and also. This is what it is, like the inter-service communication. So basically, like, no, we have a consumers, then we have our gateways layer, right? So there will be exposing some APIs for the consumers, and there will be micro level, services, right? Microservices, and there might be some core atomic service which will be like, consumed by the microservice, but not consumed directly by the your gateway service. Okay, this is one implementation, as we have discussed about it also before. So this is one inter-service communication implementation, where everything you can see from the API manager layer, right? So all the communication is happening from the outside world, like that. And you have microservices which may use smaller other atomic services. Another one is, this is also we have seen, you can consider this event bus as a broker here, like, for example, Kafka, MQTT, right? So where each service can be a producer or it can be a consumer, right? So this implementation of inter-service communication also we have come across. We discuss about it. Then another one is mix of both. Like, you have you may encounter both in a single product. Basically, you can have the first one also composite level service, and you can have, event driven services, and you may have also small atomic services, which, any one of this can actually consume. These are the three inter-service communication you may come across in your product.